Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a simple vegetable that can help you lose belly fat naturally. Yes, I'm talking about eggplant. It's something we eat almost every day, but very few people know how powerful it is for weight loss. If you want to burn belly fat and stay fit, watch this video till the end because I'll share exactly how eggplant helps reduce fat, how to prepare it, and when to use it for the best results. Surprising benefits of eggplant. Eggplant is loaded with natural fiber and very low in calories. That means it keeps your stomach full for longer, reducing your hunger naturally. It also contains an antioxidant called niacin, which helps remove toxins from the body. These toxins often slow down metabolism and cause fat storage. Plus, eggplant is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and other nutrients that help your body stay active and healthy. How it helps burn belly fat? Eggplant helps speed up your body's fat metabolism. Its dietary fiber improves digestion and prevents fat from collecting around your waist. If you eat just 1 cup of boiled or lightly roasted eggplant daily, you'll start to notice your belly getting flatter within a week. It's a natural fat burner that works without any harmful side effects. Eggplant water, the belly fat detox drink. Now, let's talk about a magical remedy, eggplant water. This detox drink can help reduce belly fat super fast. Here's how you can make it at home. Take 1 medium-sized eggplant, cut it into small pieces, soak the pieces in 1 liter of water overnight. In the morning, strain it and drink it on an empty stomach. This drink flushes out toxins, reduces bloating, and boosts your metabolism. Drink it daily, and within 10 days, you'll see a real difference in your waistline. Tips and precautions. Even though eggplant is super healthy, you shouldn't overconsume it. 1 cup of cooked eggplant or 1 glass of eggplant water per day is enough. If you suffer from acidity or gas, reduce the quantity or consult your doctor first. And remember, eggplant alone won't do miracles. For best results, pair it with light exercise and a balanced diet. Amazing, right? Who knew that something as simple as eggplant could help you lose belly fat? Try this natural remedy for a week and share your results in comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next video.